Is it alright if I stay today? Is it alright if I stay today?
Welcome to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. We are on location in beautiful Colorado. Man, I will say we are up at I think 9,000 feet elevation, and it is still pretty hot up here. I know there's a huge heat wave going on in most of the country, but we are lucky enough to be up here. We moved spots. We ended up in a spot that I thought had power but doesn't. That was totally my bad. But now I've got to figure out dinner for my amazing husband for Father's Day. So one of the things he loves is Brussels sprouts, and I am going to try something new today. I'm going to try to grill Brussels sprouts. So I've got a couple of things I'm going to do to them first because I think just tossing them on the grill is not a very good idea. So let's get to it, and I will let you know if it works. Okay, so here's what I decided to do. First, the Brussels sprouts were a little bit on the big side. So instead of just throwing them on the grill, I decided to parboil them. So here's what they look like after they're parboiled. Now, like I said, they're kind of big. So I put one little slice in the base of them without cutting off the leaves. So don't those look so pretty? They look beautiful. Now what I am going to do is just add some seasoning. So I'm going to drizzle them with olive oil, add a little garlic powder, a little garlic salt, and just a hint of cayenne to give it some pop, and some salt and pepper. Now the full recipe link is in the description box below. So if you're interested in these grilled Brussels sprouts, this is an experiment, so I will let you know how they turn out. But go ahead and click that link. It'll take you right to my website, and you will find a printable recipe there. Okay, you guys, it is so spectacular here. This is seriously why we go RVing. And for those of you who don't know, I am in the middle, of my RV cooking series. So if you're interested in more RV cooking, then please go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and that way you'll be notified every time one of my new videos comes out. And as an aside, I also have an RV cookbook coming out. So make sure to subscribe so you get more information on that. Let's get on to the grilled Brussels sprouts. Okay, so I've never really done it this way before. I'm trying to do my handheld camera, and I hope it's working. I also have another camera that I hope is going to get the grill. So what I've got is my grill is hot and heated up. It lights every time. I love this one. And I'm going to put a link to my Amazon page so you can find this grill. We've had it for years. Never had it fail. Never. My Brussels sprouts are parboiled, and then I've seasoned them. So what I'm going to do is take my parboiled, seasoned, and oiled Brussels sprouts and put them on a very, very hot grill, and then turn them about every 4 minutes. Oh, and don't forget the cooking wine. And by cooking wine, I mean wine that you drink while you're cooking. Cheers. Okay, you guys, it smells delicious. I have a feeling my camping neighbors are gonna pop over to see what's going on in here. Oh, would you just look at that? Unbelievable. Oh, I am so excited about this experiment. Yeah, just keep rotating them. They're picking up all of that beautiful char from my grill that I don't know how long it's been since I've cleaned. Yeah, they might taste a little bit like hot dogs, but whatever. All right, they are getting close. In just a minute, I'm going to pull them out and show you the finished, delicious grilled Brussels sprouts. And there you have it, guys. Grilled Brussels sprouts. They look amazing. I'm certain they will be husband approved. And I highly recommend it. The wonderful thing about Brussels sprouts while you're camping is they actually do last a really long time in your fridge or even out on your countertop before you cook them. So you can buy them a week in advance and then cook them at the campsite, which is what we did. So thank you for watching the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. Happy eating, happy cooking, happy drinking, and happy camping. We'll see you next time.